Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of how I decorated for fall this year. We decorated kind of late because of the construction and stuff all the repairs that were being done on our home from that flood we had in August. Since I knew we were only going to have this stuff up, the fall decor up for about a week, I didn't go too crazy. I didn't dig out all the stuff I had in the garage. My son's very anxious to decorate for Halloween, so I basically just used the stuff that I purchased within the past year, and also some things that were like really accessible in the garage, but I didn't go quite as all out as I normally do, but we will go all out for Halloween. So if you are interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I will be doing a Halloween tour and a giveaway in the near future. And so hit the notification bell as well, so you know the next time I do upload those videos. And if you enjoy this particular video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, say hi in the comments. I would love to meet you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for your support. I absolutely appreciate it so much. And so let's get started.